guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are focusing on manifesting love and happiness and abundance and joy. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make a love-focused vision board. This will attract happy and fulfilling relationships into your life. If you've seen my video before about a vision board, I will leave it linked up above and in the description. Basically just explains what a vision board is and how it can help you. I'm not going to go into it again because, like I said, I've done a video on it. So if you don't know what a vision board is, make sure to check it out. And let's continue. Before we set up and start doing our love vision board, we need to set in our intention. So take a moment to reflect. What does love mean to you? What kind of relationship are you actually looking for to manifest? Is it romantic love, self-love, or just strengthening a connection you already have? Write down specific intentions or affirmations like, I am open to a healthy and loving partnership. I attract relationships with love filled with mutual respect and joy. Gather what you need. You're going to need a cork board or a piece of paper, depending on how you want to do it. If you're going to do a physical version, you're going to want magazines or printed photos, glue or tape, scissors, markers, stickers, if you're going the physical way. If you're doing a digital one, just use Canva and Pinterest to get your ideas and make it into Canva and rearrange it to make it look nice. You can also print it off later if you do want a physical one, if you use Canva. So what sort of images should you be looking for? Happy couples, heart symbols, maybe some flowers, depending on your relationship and type of relationship, maybe some wedding photos or engagement rings or locations or honeymoon destinations if that's the way you were going. You want words or quotes revolving around love, unconditional love, compassion, understanding. What sort of things are you looking for? And then you want images to represent activities you want to do with your loved ones. Are you traveling together? Are you having romantic meals? Are you cooking? Are you dancing? Are you laughing? Are you having meaningful conversations, watching the sunrise, sunset, those sorts of activities? Look for images like that. Now before you stick it down, you want to arrange the images to make it look, I don't want to say pretty, but yes, you want it to look pretty. You want it to stand out, to catch your eye, but you want to know where to put the places, where to place your images. So the most important ones, the ones that really speak to you, should be in the center, the main focus of your board. And then you want to group your images into themes. So you could have self-love in one corner, romantic love in another, maintaining your relationships in another corner, that sort of thing. So just keep it themed sections. Don't just put your pictures willy-nilly. I've done that before, it doesn't work. Now you want to energize your vision board. So to do this, you want to infuse the vision board with your intention. So one thing you could do is physically hold the vision board or just look at the vision board if it's a digital copy. And you want to visualize your desires as if they've already happened. And then you want to say affirmations like, I am worthy of love, love flows effortlessly to me, those sorts of things. Make it present tense. You could also make a ritual by lighting a candle, listening to some chill out music, maybe instrumental music to set a mood. Once you have stuck the images down and you have your vision board and you've set your intentions, you want to display this vision board somewhere you will see it every day. Most likely your bedroom, but it could be in your office. So just make sure it's somewhere you will see every single day. And when you do see it, that is a sign to actually do a daily ritual. So you want to spend a few moments looking at it every day and visualizing and feeling the emotions that the pictures represent. So feel the love and the happiness as if it's already yours. Remember, your vision board is a tool to help you align your energy with what you want to attract. Believe it's possible and take inspired action, and then watch love flow into your life. Let me know in the comments down below what type of love are you trying to manifest, and if you are interested in manifesting, I have just released a course. I will leave a link down below. It's about manifesting love and maintaining fulfilling relationships, and it's 6 modules. And yeah, so I'll leave a link down below if you are interested in purchasing this course. Until next time, bye guys.